Wow, so day 13, heading in there strong. I did added an extra illustration yesterday to the folder. I do love that one. Not an illustration. It was an ultra rare, I believe. Ooh. Nice. We have a hit. Real nice. Will we repeat it? I'm hoping. Let's go. So many cards. Can't believe I haven't finished this collection and it's taking me this long. It's one of the ones that I should have finished off a long time ago. But I've been slacking off. And that's the hit for today. We're lucky we got one. And with that being said, see you guys tomorrow.